Alright, logging in. Okay, so you will end up going over to your wallet section. From there, you will go to internal fund transfer. As you can see here, in my available income wallet balance, I have a BTC of 0.020400500. Now what I want to do is send this over into my income to trading pool wallet. I'm going to copy the amount of Bitcoin and paste it in. Put in my account password. It will always ask you for a password first to ensure that you are the correct person transferring funds into your own account. Right. Okay, so now it's ready to send it over. I'm going to click confirm. And it's showing me that it has been transferred over successfully into my trading pool. Here in our pending income wallet balance, I have another amount which will be available once those 7 days are up. From there I can transfer it back into my trading pool wallet or withdraw it should I wish to do so. Now if I click on my wallet section, and I scroll down to my wallet transaction history, we can now see that I have transferred those funds into my trading pool. If I click back to my dashboard, we can now see that my trading pool balance has increased as I've moved the money over here. Hey, thanks guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe for our next tutorial.